and welcome back to another video. We are in Guatemala, by the way. Forgot to announce that. Hello from Guatemala, because we've been in Mexico obviously. So yeah, we're in Guatemala, and San Juan is the artisan town on Lake Atitlán. So we're walking there now and we're gonna do some shopping. Hopefully gonna do some damage. Maybe not too much damage, obviously, but we're gonna do shopping. I didn't know whether I was gonna vlog this because I was in a bit of a bad mood, but I've decided I am, because why not come shopping with us, you know? So we've gone into this really cool shop that is selling lots of tapestries and typical Guatemalan stuff. Some things that I want to buy are a cushion, like cushion cases. And what else, Tom? Anything else? Maybe bag, maybe clothing.
Fancy jacket.
A fancy jacket?
Yeah.
Is that what's on your list, is it?
Yeah. It's got to be really fancy.
Okay, just gonna see if there's any unique things that we can pick up. Don't currently have a home, but that might happen soon, so gotta be prepared. So clearly San Juan is definitely where all of the handmade, everything's handmade here, which is absolutely amazing, isn't it? Like, really, it's so cool. It means it's more expensive, and I'm not saying that it shouldn't be expensive.
Yeah.
But obviously if you're on a budget, it means that it's quite difficult to kind of... Hello. It's quite difficult to kind of commit to a purchase that big.
Yeah.
Do you know what I mean, Tom?
Yeah.
But it's amazing, so it's like, it's interesting.
It's kind of a cool place. So we've been in Guatemala for what, 2 weeks?
Yeah.
Longer? I'll be honest, I think you're vlogging the worst place we've been to.
Really?
Yeah. But nonetheless, look at this, pretty nice.
It's quite cute, isn't it?
Definitely.
¿Puedo probar?
Got it?
Like it?
It's really nice. Definitely a cop.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna get it.
Get it, let's go.
Nice. Voy a comprar. Yes. Do you think this is the right colour?
100%, it's lovely.
You can kind of wear it with lots of different things.
Definitely.
See, £2.50. Love that. So we were admiring San Juan, and then we bumped into this lovely family who was so sweet and asked us to guess the grandfather's age.
82?
No. In 6 months, he will be 106.
What? Whoa.
Wow. I can't believe I've met someone. You're the first person I've met.
Really?
That is over 100.
Take a picture with him.
I'll get you with this, Annie.
Yeah, get that.
Yes.
Muy bien.
106.
106. Wow.
That is so amazing. Muy bien. Muy bien.
Enjoy your time here.
Gracias.
You're welcome.
Adios.
Wow, 106. He's the first person I've met that's over 100, genuinely.
Yeah.
And 6 is my lucky number, so it's meant to be. I should have asked what his name was.
Greg.
No, should we go ask what his name was?
Yeah, go ask what his name was. It's Greg there.
Can you go ask what his name was?
Fine, I'll go ask what his name was.
What was his name?
Greg.
No, it wasn't. It was Felipe.
Yeah, Felipe. Front Felipe.
Oh, Front.
Yeah.
What was his name? No playing around now.
Front Felipe, his brother's back.
Oh,
Felipe.
for God's sake, no. Just forget it. What was his name?
Felipe.
Nice. Okay, so to recap, things that we want to buy. Pillowcases. Ooh! pillowcases,
Artwork.
I've just copped this necklace, and then anything else is just fun.
Yeah, bonus.
And also my best friend from school, Lisa Phillips, she's pregnant and gonna give birth 2 months time, so I want to buy something for the little baby girl, but I'm not going to show what that is. Green sofa, blue sofa, they'll go with all of them, won't they?
Yeah.
And I like how it's like got the Guatemalan thing. I know. Got some watermelons in there, can you see?
Very good.
Do you want to look at some of the ones to see what you like?
That's the one I like.
That's the first ever thing that we've bought for our imaginary home. Everything's handmade, by the way. It's a women's cooperative, so I'm quite happy about it.
Yeah, should we show everyone where it's made?
Yeah.
Okay, you wrap up and I'll quickly
Yeah.
show everyone. Right guys, gonna show you where it's all made. Unos minutos. Whoa, okay. So they get the cotton from there, dip it in this honey sauce, and a bit of treacle, and then tie it together in here. And make all these colours, and then they knit it into this. Absolutely incredible.
Hello. So, we have decided, we're over a coffee and a banana smoothie, that we're gonna go for a big painting and then frame it when we get back.
Yeah, one big one. Biggish, we'll see what's going on.
We'll see what's going on.
We'll be able to see what
Yeah,
we
I'll see which one, I'll film which one we go for.
Yeah.
But it's quite a big decision, isn't it?
It's one of the biggest decisions we've ever made. There's absolutely no doubt about it. But yeah, we're gonna be okay, I think. And yeah, we'll be fine.
But yeah, really liking San Juan. I'm really liking my necklace that I bought. Really liking the cushions. So we're on track for a good shopping trip. Just need some Christmas decorations. What else?
That's about it. That's about it.
Guys, we bought a painting. It's so lovely. I literally can't wait to frame that. It's going to be 10, 10.
Nice and big.
It's big.
But we've gotten to cut it down and roll it up, so we're happy.
Yeah, really happy. We were talking to them. They were like, do you know what? Yeah, take the ticket for 600. So it went well, didn't it, Tom?
Very good, very good.
Very good. We're getting a tuk-tuk home. We're in the tuk-tuk.
Calle de los sombreros, ¿sí?
Muy bien. Me gusta mucho. Yes, really good day. Got cushions, got a painting.
Amiga, hay un tour de miel, ¿no desean ver? Tour de miel.
Tour de miel?
Ajá. Miel, chocolate, tampoco.
No tengo tiempo.
Ah, okay.
He's saying to me like, either have we been on a tour or do we want to go on a tour? And I've just said we don't have time.
Yeah.
We'll see you back in San Pedro. Señor, ¿dónde vives?
Yo soy de acá, del pueblo. Aquí. Yo soy
Aquí,
San Juan. Ajá.
San Juan.
Yo vivo a una cuadra.
He lives in like obviously everything's in squares, right? So he lives like in the quarters over. Hola! Little baby. So guys, we are back at our Airbnb, which is actually, it's a bit messy, but super cute. Really like it. Tom's on the sofa, he's got a bit of a headache, and I'm waxing my legs. Okay, with these wax strips, always use them, but it really hurts. So often I go to the salon, I'll do like salon then myself, because otherwise it gets too expensive. Anyway, I don't like doing the thigh too high up because it just gets too painful. So I said that to Tom, and he's like, oh, well. So I've said, right then, let's see how you like it, okay? And let's wax a bit of your leg. So that's what's happening.
Wax me.
Right, are you ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1.
Didn't even feel it. Oh, that's crazy. Look at that. We need to do a painting.
Oh my god. You're telling me you didn't feel it?
Didn't feel it.
You're joking?
Literally didn't feel it.
I don't believe you at all.
Do it on my face.
That will really hurt. We have made it to San Pedro. How's your leg feeling, Tom?
It's painful. Yeah, I'm just about getting through it.
We are now out for dinner in San Pedro. I've got a glass of wine, love it. Haven't had a glass of wine in quite some time. And Tom, you've got what?
Cuba Libre.
What's a Cuba Libre?
It's a rum and cake. It's a rum and cake.
Nice. So yeah, we're just enjoying dinner. We're thinking about our purchases, which we love.
Yeah.
And having a good old time. And we've gone for 2 schnitzels. We actually came to this restaurant a couple of nights ago and had the schnitzel and it was so yummy. We've actually gone for more. That's how boring. That's actually boring.
When something's good, guys, you go for it and you commit to it and you stay loyal to it because that's what it's all about.
Great TED talk there. Great TED talk. Anyway, cheers. Perfect. So yummy.
So good.
We've got this little side salad here with aubergines and tomatoes and yes! It's time to get into bed and spray my lovely pillow sheet spray with This Works. What flavour is it? Deep Sleep Pillow Spray. Honestly, it smells absolutely delicious. So, we're into bed. What are you doing?
Just sleeping.
You weren't. You've literally just gotten into bed. Thank you so much for watching. If you've got this far, genuinely let Tom and I know. I feel like we should send them a thank you card or something like that.
Oh yeah, that's the very least we could do.
It's the very least we could do. If you've got this far, let us know. We'll send you a thank you card.
Put your address in the comment description below.
Don't do that. Safety first. Message me on Instagram, Annie Rose Bird, and we will send you a thank you card. So thank you so much for watching. Bit of a random one, but yeah, should we do that, Tom? Actually, Gen Z? Right, okay, he doesn't know how to do it. Love you, bye!